All right, welcome back to the live trade setups. Here we are moving into 9th September 2019, and let's analyze some opportunity which is seen in the dollar JPY. It's been building since last few trading sessions, to be precise, since 26th of August. First things first, this is the daily chart for the dollar JPY. Uh, it has tested the previous lows at 104.85 just by about few pips. Two implications can be made out of it. It is just pulling back and it might push lower towards a fresh uh, lows below 104 or maybe 103.50. But a more important trade setup which is taking place, let's look into that. First things, the retracement or a pullback from 112.40 looks to have been complete as an ABC. If we prices have just bounced from the channel line support twice. There was a nasty drop here which was not expected, but sometimes it happens. We have to be flexible in our wave counts. We still believe that that is the terminal triangle termination point, wave E, which is a multi-year low actually. So we believe constructive for a bullish setup, yet not very clear, but potential remains. An ABC corrective drop is done, and the subsequent rally has taken out at least the first resistance at 107.10. So on the daily chart, it looks to be like a wave one, right, and then a potential wave two, drop at 105.70.80. This could be wave one of three actually. Let's look at the hourly chart, the same structure. There you are. Oh, oh. It's not an impulse, brothers, but we can still count five. Somewhere close to here, wave four, and wave five. Giving us the required wave one of the higher degree, and then corrective drop, an ABC. You can see the corrections are very shallow actually, terminating right near the previous wave 4 as well, so it's safe to plot wave 2 here. And then if you count smaller waves here, again you can count 5. If it is an impulse, that could be 5. Or I would rather shift wave 3 here, expanded flat wave 4, and 5. So that could be one of 3, right? Possibly yes. We would try to remain constructive, or one should remain constructive for the dollar JPY bulls to pick up, unless and until prices remain above 105.73 in a broad way. 105.73, yeah. All right. If that's the boundary which is being worked upon, we might expect, or we might see a drop pushing all the way through the 61.8% mark, which is close to 106.30.40 levels. Now let's expand this chart view a bit. We can observe a corrective drop in the form of three waves A, B, C already. A, B and C. All right. This could be a correction that is complete, and we might give a chance for a capital A as well. You see, a corrective flat would be ideally 3, 3 and 5. So it's the first 3, maybe we got a second 3 here. So let's plot our B potential there, and if that's the structure, we should see a wave C terminating lower across 106.30 levels. We pull out the retracements now. There you go, 38.2% termination of a probable wave 1, another 3 waves, wave B, and maybe 5 waves down. We have lower degree waves 1 and 2 already there in place. That could be termed as the lower degree wave 1. We might have gotten a wave 2 already, and wave 3, 4 and 5 would be pushing lower, ideally towards a potential wave C termination point lower, somewhere around the 61.8 Fibonacci, and also it's pretty close to the previous wave 4 terminating point. That makes 106.30.40 levels as a high probable wave 2 count within the third wave of 1 higher degree. Alright, so if this wave count is correct, we might be seeing prices drop lower, and also there might be a Fibonacci convergence coming in. Let's see. There are 106.24 is the 61.8% extension of the first leg, that is potential A plotted here. So don't be surprised if there is a drop. It's actually an opportunity to go long again against 105.73, and the potential wave targets could be, let's go a bit higher, wave 4-hour chart. So if we just expand this third wave, which should unfold as 5 waves as an extension probably, there you go, and that's the extension we must be expecting. 109.6465 levels, in line with the previous resistance in place around that 109.31 mark. So that could be the termination point of wave 3, and then the structure would ideally look like this. We've got wave 1, and then we've got wave 2, third wave rally onto the deep 109 levels, and then slight corrective drop, wave 4, and then wave 5, which could push all the way towards 112. So nice little opportunity seen here in the dollar JPY. Buying on dips across the 106.30.40 levels against 105.75, the potential targets above 109, 50, 60 levels. A good swing trade in the making. All right, for now it's the dollar JPY, and I'll be back again with a Euro USD, or we might be beginning the indices, the Dow Jones, the FTSE, and the DAX. Thank you again for joining. You might want to subscribe to YouTube if you are watching it for the first time, and good luck for your trades, brothers. Bye bye.